Hi, hello. So I'm making this video of my arroz con leche. I'm making it for my daughter. But if anybody else makes it and enjoys it, that's awesome. There is no right or wrong way to make this. This is just the way that I make it. And I start with 1.5 cups of thoroughly washed rice. Please wash your rice. A cinnamon stick and 1/2 cup of brown sugar. You can use regular sugar. I just like the molasses in the brown sugar. It just gives it a whole different level of flavor along with the piloncillo, which you will see coming up. And the reason why I add the sugar right now is the same reason that you add salt to the water before you boil your pasta, so it can absorb that flavor. And now you don't need that much water over it. If you know the Asian method of cooking rice, you put the water up to that first little knuckle. You don't need that much. You're just wanting to start the cooking process. So, just let this come to a nice boil. Mix it all up and get it to a nice little boil. Now, one thing I have seen on other arroz con leche recipes is they just put everything in and leave it, and all of a sudden it's done. I'm here to tell you, please stir your rice. Whenever you add sugar into anything, it's gonna have a tendency to caramelize, aka burn, if you're not stirring it. So stir. You're gonna be stirring a lot through this whole process, especially when you add the milk. So be mindful and stir. It's okay. It will not make it mushy, I promise. So now in goes the milk. Here is where you can customize this. If you like your arroz con leche soupy, you're gonna add more milk. And if you don't like it as soupy, you're going to add less milk. It will become more of a rice pudding. So I like to find the happy place, the Goldilocks, right in the middle, somewhere in between. And after you add your milk, you're going to add your piloncillo. Piloncillo is sugarcane syrup. It's you can find it at your Hispanic stores, your Hispanic grocery aisles. It's delicious. It gives a different, like the brown sugar, gives a different flavor. Don't do what I did. I kind of spilled everything, but I'm gonna add this full thing of evaporated milk.
Yeah, chicken. Okay.
You can also add media crema. I don't know what media crema is in English now that I'm thinking about it, but it's a little can. It's a little bit thicker milk than evaporated milk, but it's delicious. I just didn't have any on hand. That's why I didn't put it in. You can add different types of milk to give it different flavors. Honestly, arroz con leche is one of those things that you can really customize. I'm just giving you a base here. Now, what I should have done is broken down the piloncillo, but because I was being lazy, I didn't, and this took way longer to dissolve than it should have. So that's on me. Break down your piloncillo. You can just chop it up into smaller pieces, even if they're little chunks. And then you just let it simmer and you let it go. And I had to add more milk because it was getting way too thick. Please don't forget to stir. It is so important. That's when I added the last half of the evaporated milk. And then I added some more whole milk. And you just stir and stir until that rice is nice and cooked. Everything's going to thicken up like deliciously. I don't know why I said that, but anyway, so yes, you're going to do a lot of stirring. This is sugar and milk. They are two things that it will boil over and it will stick everywhere, or you're just going to burn your rice. So please, please, please stir every few minutes, every 3-4 minutes. So this is one of those recipes that you have to stand next to your stove to make sure that it's not sticking. Even with the non-stick, it will still burn. So there's that. And yeah, here I am. Just stir, stir, stir. That's what's left of the piloncillo. Now you can see how thick this is starting to get. And the longer you cook it, the thicker the milk will be because the more starch is released from that rice, especially since we're mixing it so much. So you can add more milk here if you want it more soupy, but this is where I like it. And that to me is a perfect consistency when the milk sticks to that spoon. Now, bonus, you can also, that's vanilla. I was adding some vanilla bean paste. Absolutely delicious. Once you have taken it off the heat, you add your vanilla bean paste. But you can also add abuelita chocolate or Ibarra chocolate, whatever you want. You can even add milk chocolate in here, like chocolate chunks or chips, whatever you want. Don't use chips, maybe chunks. You can also add strawberries into this. You can blend your strawberry with your milk. You can also use coconut milk, coconut cream, and I love it with coconut cream, but none of my family does, so this is what I usually do for them. Yeah, so really customizable, delicious. I hope you try this, and I will show you at the end how my rice did not stick, and that's due to the constant stirring. So please stir your arroz con leche. If not, you will be so sad. Ask my daughter. So this is, see? Yay! Okay, have fun. Good luck. Bye. Love you, Lily.